Welcome back to Code Affairs. Hello guys. So today we are going to talk about the for each method in JavaScript. Generally it is the same like a for loop we generally use in any programming language, but it is a bit different the way it's work actually. Okay, so I will tell you the process how it's work actually. Suppose we have given an array, okay, array of element. So we can simply print out this array with the help of console log and it will print that easily. Okay, now we have to print out. Okay, it will print my array, but suppose we want that if we have to perform some specific operation in each element of an array. Okay, uh, so what we can do there, we have to write the for each method array dot for each, and we have to pass a callback function, and here I am using an arrow function. I hope that you will be familiar with this arrow function because I have uploaded the arrow function also in my videos. Okay, and we have take an element. Okay, now we have to print out the each value. Okay, so in the arrow function, what it actually do? It will take each element from this array and perform some operation. Okay, right now I am not performing any operation. We are just printing a value. Okay, it will take one value each time and print out. Okay, here we can print some operation like we have to multiply things. Okay, now try to print. Okay, okay, see, all the operation has been printed line by line. Okay, so you can perform any specific task in a particular element. Suppose the requirement is like this, then you can use the for each element. Okay, here are the different parameter it will take, like the first one is a value. Okay, the second one it will take index number, and third one it will take a array itself. Okay, now we have to print out all these things together so that it will be clear to you how it's actually work. Index value we have to mention, then we have to mention array itself. We have to remove this array. Now print out. Let me create this screen first so that it would be quite clear to you. Okay, if you observe that this is the first value, first element it will take from this array. This one is the index value of this element, and this is the array, the whole array we have given here. So it will printing. Okay, so whenever you requirement, whenever you want to perform any operation in each element, so you can use for each method. Okay, so I hope this video is very insightful for you and you will understand the working process of for each method, and we will meet next time. If you would like the video, please do subscribe my channel. That will give me a motivation to make or more videos. Thanks for watching.